Hey everyone, so I'm back in my boys' room. I just went around and taped everything off that I don't want getting covered with paint. So I am going to go in and sand all of the spackled spots and then paint over it. And just FYI, spackle works just fine on projects like this. This is not like a piece of furniture or something that you're going to be moving. It's just literally wood stuck to the wall and no one's ever really going to touch it. And the spackle actually will give you... The spackle, once it's sanded, will actually give you a smoother finish as opposed to like wood putty where it could be kind of lumpy. And also if you stain wood with wood putty, the stain won't stick to the wood putty. So I actually recommend using spackle for the window trim, but it's personal preference. I prefer this because it comes out smoother and cleaner and you can really get into the cracks as opposed to the wood putty. So I'm going to go ahead and get this sanded and painted and I'll be back. Alright, so I just went around and painted everything. I'll let this continually dry. When I come back, I'll go over it thoroughly, you know, make sure that there's no shadowing or anything like that. And if there is, oh, see, right there, top left, the shadowing. So I will hit any of the shadowed areas, and once I do that, then I'll take off the tape. So hubby and I ran to Home Depot and I got a piece of wood to put underneath the boys' window and to make their kind of mask hanging sign, if you will. And I picked up these, what are these called? Sawtooth hangers. So I'm going to put one on each end of the board. So I grabbed those. Got my Sonic Diet Cherry Limeade. And I'm going to, daughter did her dishes and I just went through and like wiped down all the surfaces and the appliances. And now I'm going to sweep and mop. It needs it so bad. So I'm going to do that real quick. And then I'm going to move on to making their hook, shelf, ledge, sign thingy, I don't know what to call it, for their masks in their room, and I will share that with you guys, and then I'm going to share their room with you guys. Swept and mopped, and it smells so good because everything is nice and clean now. I never share this side of the kitchen because we haven't finished it. This is like our drop-off station. Those are some donate, but like scarves, hats, whatever can go in the basket. Sometimes I put my purse in there, hats, my Weight Watcher book where I'm writing down my points, some glasses, some more hats, change, a change drop off. There's even some gloves in there, keys, basket to hold glasses or wallets, and our little mail thing to hold our incoming mail. So I will be chalk painting this side white, and then above the fridge white, and then this whole pantry will be my comforting green by Bear. And then we'll be redoing the trim as well, so this is the chunky trim we replaced from the skinny trim, so we'll be doing the chunky trim too. So before the end of the year, this side of the kitchen will be finished, but baby steps. So now I need to put this back. Okay, so yeah, this is just a little drop-off organization. Odd spot in our house, really. Now I'm gonna go measure the space underneath my boys' window so I can get their mask wood sign hook holder thing, I don't know what to call it, made. Anyway, it's always nice to have a clean kitchen. So on to the next. Here's the piece of wood we're going to cut down to 53 inches. I'm just going to hammer in some big nails along it after I paint it. Okay, all the nails are in, but pretty much the easiest DIY. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it or stain it. So for now, I think I might just go try hanging it up and see what I think. But for now it's done and it works. Woo! That stinks! The Keep Out sign is from Target. That printable I found on Etsy. The C is a paper mache C from Michaels. The Batman piggy bank is from Target. The B for Batman is from Michaels. The shelf is a DIY. The little Swiss cross and succulent are from Target. I don't remember where I got the Jesus Loves Me. That C with the studs is from Joann's. The big metal arrow is from Michaels several years ago. The small little arrows, the white one there, and they're from Adams & Company. And then the marquee is from Heidi Swap from Michaels or Joann's. This is a thrifted dresser I got for 30 bucks at our local DI, which is like a thrift store. And it was already kind of sanded, but I just sanded it more, and it holds all my boys' clothes. And then they just have a fan that they turn and face their bed at night. And this is a little, that little container sits over there and it holds their tablets that they normally will charge right there. So over here, the Batman emblem I got from Target last year, and I just wove some fairy lights through it. The striped black and white pillow is from IKEA, the Batman pillow. It's reversible, so this side, and then there's his face. And I got the Batman pillow and the Superman pillow on Etsy. I don't remember the seller. I got them forever ago, and I don't remember where I got these. I want to say World Market, and I strung little yellow strings through them and hung them up on their bunk bed. The nice, really soft blankets are from Target. This one's Riker's and this one's Evans, but me and Kev find them always sleeping together, which we think is really cute. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see Superman. And then there's the Superman one. So I love that they're reversible. I'm sure you can go on Etsy and look up superhero Marvel pillows and find them. And then they just have some books here and a book bin, a Big Joe beanbag to sit and read, Batman throw. The Big Joe I got from Walmart. It was $29.99. That throw was a gift my boys got. Here's that DIY hook sign, if you will, that I made. So it's holding pretty much their Nerf guns, some other Star Wars things, and some masks. I absolutely love how the trim turned out. It looks so good. I love it popping off the wall. Here's some Batman signs. The S and B is for Superman and Batman. They're from Michaels. The Batman and the Superman sign I found at Ross a few years ago. And then this cute hook is from Home Goods. It holds their hats. They can turn this on at night as another night light, along with the Batman emblem. And then whoever added on the two rooms down here, this one and Preston's room, they made this little cubby. So there are dirty laundry baskets in here, and then they have some stuffed animals over here. And then behind here is just our water heater.